Alright, I'm using my little vertical Brinkman garage sale smoker. I got some cherry wood chopped up. Coals are going. Today I am doing, for the first time, corned beef brisket. And cabbage, of course. A little late, but last weekend was a busy weekend, so I didn't get to do any. I just got 2 of the pre-packaged corned beef briskets from Giant Eagle. They were having a sale, so alright, let's see how this goes. Okay, coals are going. I do have my water pan in, which I don't normally use, but I'm gonna do it. These are the 2 corned beef briskets, seasoned with oregano, thyme, garlic powder, and black pepper. They're going in. Alright, they both fit perfect in there. Not using no meter, just use my probe pen. A couple pieces of cherry. There we go. A little update. Running right where I want her. Just added some cherry wood. They're going good. I'm probably gonna pull that pan soon. I'm not a fan of a water pan. It's doing little girl. Always my little Anakin out here helping me smoking. In between smoking, me and Anakin are taking a little walk back of the property. All the bark fell off. Come on. Alright, these are going really good. I temp checked them and they are at like 140, 145. I'm going to keep them going. Eventually I'll put them in a pan and I'm going to add some potatoes, carrots, onions, some unsalted beef broth, and finish it in the oven to kind of braise. Fire's still going. Cherry wood. Okay, what I did here was I kind of hollowed it out, put some onions, stick butter, salt, pepper. I'm putting these in. I'm using that pan just for stability because they're a bit wobbly, and those will go in now. Okay, it's going. I'm going to add a little bit more wood. Got those in. I do have a little bit of water in there just to help them steam. See how it turns out. Alright, my corned beef briskets are looking great, getting great bark and color. They're temping right around 156, 57. We'll be transferring these to a pan with unsalted beef broth, the onions, carrots, potatoes, and going in the oven And the cabbage I will fully wrap up. It's getting good color on it. And throw them in the oven with it. Got this little bit of cherry wood I'm gonna let burn down, and then we'll be moving into the oven. Just because I don't want to waste wood when I won't be getting any more smoke. Alright, I added the unsalted beef broth, onions, potatoes, carrots. Rised up some, but it'll be fine. Now it'll get foiled over and in the oven. Alright, with the cabbage, I'm going to put a little bit of liquid butter.